Good afternoon. It's Friday, February 19th. It's been a week since we had our first ice falling in Texas, causing a lot of unfortunate accidents. And it's now been 5 days since our snowfall on Sunday. So, here I am out walking George and Fee. And as you can probably see, lots of melting is now taking place. Temperature is climbing closer and closer to that 32-degree mark, which will start the rapid process of getting rid of all this white stuff. Sad to see it go. It's been enjoyable while it lasted. It's such a rare sight to see here. And as it slowly fades away, it's been very beautiful to look at. But now it's rather sad. This poor snowman. How much longer is it going to last? Maybe another day before it's gone. We're forecasting well over freezing by Saturday and Sunday, maybe even 70 on Thursday, which is going to be a stark contrast to what we have right now. All of this will be gone probably within the next day or two, that quickly. It's such a beautiful day, clear skies, and it's definitely feeling much warmer, which is great. Fiona and George are managing quite well. I can say personally it's a lot easier to walk them when it's well above freezing. They are polar bear dogs, and they enjoy the cold weather, but taking them out every couple of hours during the day, which is what they like to do, while very nice when it's warm out, is quite a project when it's not that warm out. So, hey George, what you looking at? You want to say hi to anyone? You want to say hi? I know you're losing your snow now, huh? It's all going away. Fiona, how are you doing? Can you say hello? Oh, you got the squinty eyes, huh? Hey, oh, you don't have to come that close, girl. Huh? Let me just get you two on video. Sarah really enjoyed this. This could be one of their best snow days. Who knows if we'll get another one, but only time will tell. Only time will tell. I'm just looking at the grass slowly melting away. The sky is a pretty blue. Streets are starting to clear, which is a welcome sign. And here we are with our two children. They're just curious, looking at people across the street, trying to see what's going on. And they're just having themselves a ball in this beautiful sunshine. Anyway, that's enough for now. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.